I'll show you how the view looks. Uh, really beautiful from upstairs. Oh my god. Guys, I'll show you how the view looks so beautiful from up here. Right, let's turn the camera. It's not this perfect.
Just believe it, that you can make it. If you stumble, just get back up.
So yes, this is the view from the principal house that is under construction. This is our chapel hall, and that's the boys' dormitory attached with kitchen and also office and also classroom. And behind this chapel hall is girls' dormitory. Hi, Caroline. She's calling me to eat walnuts. So this is the view I enjoy every single day. God's perfect creation. Not it, guys. So yes, I'm here on typical Sunday evening, trying to enjoy my evening, and yes, I'm just trying to get familiar or used to with my short hair. I'm finding it difficult, but it's much more easier to maintain. Less shampoo, less water. Yeah, for a busy person like me. So guys, let's go. Let me go. Let's get down again. Just sleep and wake up, so I look really not fresh. Doesn't mean I'm always fresh. This is like my sister because we both have a very similar face feature, except her eyes is more beautiful than mine. Caroline, look here. Look now. So, Caroline. No, eyes is the only difference. If not, we'll be looking exactly like. No, yeah, our figure is perfect. We have perfect figure. Okay, going for dinner. I have to go for dinner. Let me eat big one. See this one, walnut. How do I shoot? Cannot stop. Yeah. Okay, let's go for dinner now. Trying to go out. Going to Kangpokpi. I think I should bring you guys along. I'm out today with my student to Kangpokpi. Till today I did not take to Kangpokpi, right, you people? I did not do a vlog in Kangpokpi though I'm staying here. So today I'll take you to Kangpokpi and show you around how it looked like in this conflict moment, but it's so beautiful. Hi. I'm her teacher. This is my student teacher. So I'll show you from backside. I don't know how to. So it's good for doing vlog. Us perfect. You can see our face also. This is our everyday road where we go for walking. Morning, all the boys will go walking here. This is us. See you guys after the Kangpokpi. If I keep taking now, it will be very long. I want to do only 4 or 5 minutes vlogs today. Why is today more far? We're going to the shop repairing. Main reason we're here. It's very hot. I think I bought my rubber.
Know that you are treasured in the Maker's heart. Nothing can replace you. You were made to shine, so let nothing bring you down. 'Cause He is on your side. Just believe it.
So my phone is all fixed for my mother. I can on and off. This was not working, so all set. Second hand Christmas gift. My work is done.
Never give in. 'Cause He will always be
So Hapu and Vasi is coming by Sir Principal vehicle, so we don't have to spend another
even when I don't deserve to be loved. I am called His children, and I am saved by His grace, and I'm never
There was a sale file. I just feel students. I bought a meat, spicy chutney, and served them love to my students. Hapu, tonight you pray for me, na? After eating meat. Where we will sit again on Thursday. Now it's very empty. Second hand area. If it is night then all those lightning will be so beautiful. Decoration. Apart,
just believe it.
interesting rocks. Very homely.